xám đã dịch.
The Catholic Association of Shillong, affiliated to All India Catholic Union, has decided to petition the President of India on Manipur violence after a peace rally in the city held today. The silent peace rally was organized to condemn the inhuman treatment of women in Manipur, besides seeking return of normalcy in that state. Thousands of people, including youths and students, holding placards, participated in the rally, which commenced from Madan Yorenghep Light Umkhra near Fire Brigade. The rally was addressed by J.A. Lingdo, President of the Catholic Association of Shillong, and Reverend Edwin H. Kharkangor, Secretary KJCLF. Both called for an early end to the ongoing ethnic violence in Manipur.
As the Catholic Association of the Shillong Diocese, we have been able to organize this peace rally. And this is purposely for the people who are in Manipur because of the incident that has happened.
So in this rally we want to share, we want to show to the people of Manipur and also to others, especially the people in authority who has their responsibility and who should take their responsibility in whatever way they have to take to end this violence.